All right, so this is super unplanned because the FedEx guy just rang the door out here and he delivered a package for me. And I'm super excited. This is my first award that I've got on YouTube. I got that for passing 100,000 subscribers. Let's see what we got in this super nice package. Let's just start by the back seal here. Then the side seals. And it's actually, I can't really, it's crazy that I finally have it because I've been working to do this since 2016. It has been a long journey with a lot of countless hours. In front of the computer, editing videos, trying to plan out stuff. So it's, yeah, you could say it's finally here. That's amazing. So you see there's a nice foam cover on top here. There is a letter here. Yeah, so let's see what that says. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part of recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award is inspected and packages and taken care by Rick. So that's pretty personal. So you got this. And then that, ooh.
Hello there.
There's a nice letter from YouTube, but that's not the exciting part. The exciting part is this one. Man, it's nice. It's actually pretty nice. Okay, let's just see what the letter here says before I'm getting carried away with excitement here. Okay, so do you remember your first subscriber, your first 100, your first 1,000, and of course, remember the 100,000th of subscriber. I don't have the chance to see who actually clicked number 100,000. That would have been fun. We could have made some fun out of that. But I don't want to read what's on this letter here because it's basically, yeah, a message for me. But I do remember basically the different steps that it took to gain this award. And especially the first 100 subscribers, they were pretty tough. It can be very discouraging to sit and put out hours and hours into producing videos just to get maybe a couple of views. But if you stick to it, there's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't be able to get one of these. All right, let's take this one out of the box. So see, there's more stuff in here. So this is the thingy. So it says presented to Tech Drone Media for passing 100,000 subscribers, and then there's the YouTube logo on the bottom. So I need to find a really nice place to put this one. That's for sure. It's kind of remarkable because I think YouTube is the only social media platform where you actually get this kind of recognition for achieving a milestone. I don't think any of the other platforms are doing this. But this is what makes you strive. It's really nice to have that one. I'm kind of winding up to do like a giveaway in the back end of this. I'm trying to get people to support the giveaway, so we have some really nice prizes that we can hand out to celebrate the 100,000 milestone here on the channel. It'll be maybe beginning of September before everything is settled in that regards, and then we'll kick off this nice giveaway. And already now I have some pretty nice prizes in there, I would say. I was happy to be able to share this moment with you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on one of the next videos.